If you're looking to add audio lessons to your course curriculum, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few minutes. By the end, you'll know the easiest and most efficient way to incorporate audio into your courses, so your learners get the best experience possible. The process is simple, but there are a few key things you need to know. First, you need to choose the right software to upload and manage your audio files. The software we'll be using today is designed to make this easy and seamless. I'll share an exclusive free trial link for you in the description below, so if you want to follow along, feel free to grab it and start right now. Once you've logged into your chosen software, you'll first want to create a new lesson or module for your audio content. This is where you'll organize all the materials your students will need. In this case, we'll be adding an audio file, so click on the Add Media or Add Content button. From there, you'll see an option to upload an audio file. Select your file, whether it's a podcast, a lecture, or an interview, and upload it directly. The software we're using allows for quick uploads and easy integration with your course curriculum. You'll have the option to add additional details like a title, description, and even a transcript to make your lesson more accessible. Once uploaded, you can decide where in your curriculum the audio lesson will go. You might want to place it at the beginning of a new module or integrate it into an existing lesson. Either way, it's easy to drag and drop the file into the correct spot. This flexibility makes it easy to adjust your course layout without wasting time. Another feature to consider is the ability to make the audio downloadable. This is a great option if you want your students to be able to listen to the lesson offline. With our software, it's as simple as toggling an option to allow downloads, and your students can access the content from anywhere, anytime. Now let's talk about accessibility. You want to make sure that your audio lessons are easy to follow, right? A good practice is to include a transcript of the lesson. Many students appreciate having the text available to refer back to, and it also helps with SEO if you're looking to improve your search visibility. Before you finish, take a moment to test the lesson. Play through the audio and make sure everything sounds clear. You'll also want to check if the audio file plays smoothly for your students across different devices. This is key to ensuring a quality experience for everyone in your course. Here's the key takeaway. Adding audio lessons to your course curriculum is a great way to engage your students and provide content in a format that many learners prefer. By choosing the right software, uploading your files, and ensuring everything works smoothly, you can enhance your course and make it even more impactful. To quickly recap, first, upload your audio files through your chosen software. Then, organize them in your curriculum, making sure to add extra details like titles and transcripts. Don't forget to check the accessibility options and test your lessons before finalizing them. Before I close, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial of the software we're using in the description below. This is only available for viewers of my channel, and it's a great way to get started on your course creation journey. Thanks for watching.